Good afternoon, this is Keith All, and in today's tutorial we're going to learn how we can insert pictures into a mock-up of anything. So in this particular instance we have a computer and a screen here. So what I want to do is insert a picture that fits this screen. Again, if you're a Photoshop user, brand new, or you've been with it for a while, you do understand that there are multiple ways that you can get to the same end result. So this is just one way that you could do it. So I have a picture over here, and what I did was basically I'll take Control A, that selects your entire canvas, and then Control C on a PC to copy it. So we'll do that, but first on this image I need to make a selection first of the area where I want to insert the picture. So in this instance I'm just using a polygonal lasso tool, and what you do to use this tool is you click once, your starting point, and then you come over to your next point where you want to draw a line, click again, and then click again on this point, and then this point here, and then you finish it up here. So once the cursor changes to like a little circle around there, you know you met, you basically connected all the dots. So now you have a selection here. Now since I already copied what I want into memory, I come over here, edit, paste special, and paste into. And what that is, it's going to paste whatever is in the clipboard into the selection that we just created. And there you have it. So that's one way that you could do it. Now at this point, if you want to adjust the image that you put in there, just press Control T to transform it. You can move it around. You could resize the image by Shift Alt and then click and drag. And there you have it. Like I said in the beginning, there are multiple ways that you could do this. This is just one way to do it. So hopefully this gave you an idea on how you could do this for other images. Please subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification. So whenever I have a new video ready, you'll be updated or notified that I have a new video uploaded. Please like, share, and comment. I appreciate it. And again, if you have any questions, comment below and I'll get back to you. Thanks again for stopping by. You have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.